ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு அவர் சேனல் வே டு சக்ஸஸ். நம்ம சேனலில் இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாமல் இருந்தீங்கன்னா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இந்த வீடியோவில் பிஜிடிஆர்பி Zoology யூனிட் 1 கிளாசிஃபிகேஷன் அண்ட் பைனாமியல் நாமன்க்ளேச்சருக்கான ப்ராக்டிஸ் கொஷின்ஸ் பார்க்கலாம். கொஷின் நம்பர் 1. வாட் இஸ் த பர்பஸ் ஆஃப் பைனாமியல் நாமன்க்ளேச்சர் இன் பயாலஜி? ஆப்ஷன் ஏ, டு கன்ஃபியூஸ் சயின்டிஸ்ட் வித் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் நேமிங். Option B, to provide a common language for scientists worldwide. Option C, to make species names sound interesting. Option D, to create long and descriptive names for species. The answer is B, to provide a common language for scientists worldwide. Question number 2. Who is credited with introducing the system of binomial nomenclature? Option A, Charles Darwin. Option B, Grigor Mendel. Option C, Carolus Linnaeus. Option D, Alfred Wallach. Answer is C, Carolus Linnaeus. Question number 3. In the scientific name Homo sapiens, what does sapiens refer to? Option A, genus identifier. Option B, family identifier. Option C, order identifier. Option D, species identifier. The correct answer is D option, species identifier. Question number 4. The first part of a scientific name represents the option A, genus. Option B, species. Option C, family. Option D, order. The correct answer is A option, genus. Question number 5. Which part of the scientific name is capitalized? Option A, genus. Option B, species. Option C, family. Option D, order. The answer is option A, genus. Question number 6. How are scientific names usually written in text? Option A, uppercase letters. Option B, italicized. Option C, in quotation marks. Option D, bold letters. The correct answer is option B, italicized. Question number 7. The correct format for writing a scientific name is option A, genus, species. Option B, species, genus. Option C, family, genus. Option D, order, species. The correct answer is option A, genus, species. Next, question number 8. What is the significance of using Latin in binomial nomenclature? The option A, Latin is a common spoken language among scientists. Option B, Latin is a dead language, ensuring stability in naming conventions. Option C, Latin is the official language of the scientific community. Option D, Latin was the native language of Carolus Linnaeus. Correct answer is option B, Latin is a dead language, ensuring stability in naming conventions. Question number 9. What does the term binomial in binomial nomenclature mean? Option A, complex name. Option B, descriptive name. Option C, single name. Option D, two names. The correct answer is option D, two names. Question number 10. Which of the following is not a valid reason for using binomial nomenclature? Option A, to confuse scientists with complex names. Option B, to provide a standardized way to names species. Option C, to communicate more effectively across languages. Option D, to organize and classify living organisms. The correct answer is option A, to confuse scientists with complex names. Question number 11. The process of naming and classifying organisms is known as option A, classification. Option B, taxonomy. Option C, systematics. Option D, nomenclature. The correct answer is option B, taxonomy. Question number 12. The highest level of classification in the taxonomic hierarchy is option A, genus. Option B, family. Option C, kingdom. Option D, domain. The correct answer is option D, domain. Question number 13. How do scientific names compare to common names of species? Option A, scientific names are standardized and universal, while common names can vary by language and region. Option B, scientific names are complex and difficult to understand, while common names are simple and clear. Option C, scientific names are always in Latin, while common names are in various languages. Option D, scientific names are used only by scientists, while common names are used by the general public. The correct answer is option A. Scientific names are standardized and universal, while common names can vary by language and region. Question number 14. The scientific name of an organism is usually derived from option A, the habit of the organism, option B, Latin or Greek words, option C, the common name of the organism, option D, the scientist who discovered the organism. The correct answer is option B, Latin or Greek words. Question number 15. Which taxonomic category is more specific than the genus but broader than the species? Option A, family. Option B, order. Option C, class. Option D, phylum. The correct answer is option A, family. Question number 16. The process of giving each species a two-part scientific name is called option A, taxonomy. Option B, classification. Option C, binomial nomenclature. Option D, systematics. The correct answer is option C, binomial nomenclature. Question number 17. The genus name is always written option A with an initial capital letter, option B in lowercase letters, option C in italics and underlined, option D in bold letters. The correct answer is option A with an initial capital letter. Question number 18. What is the purpose of binomial nomenclature's hierarchical structure? Option A, to provide a complex and intricate naming system. Option B, to show evolutionary relationships and groupings among species. Option C, to assign common names to organisms. Option D, to establish a language barrier among scientists. The correct answer is option B, to show evolutionary relationships and groupings among species. Question number 19. Which of the following indicates the correct order of taxonomic categories from broadest to most specific? Option A, kingdom, domain, class, order, family, genus, species. Option B, domain, kingdom, class, order, family, genus, species. Option C, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Option D, domain, kingdom, phylum, order, family, genus, species. The correct answer is option B, domain, kingdom, class, order, family, genus, species. Question number 20. A scientific name can be abbreviated using the initial of the genus followed by the species epithet. This abbreviation is known as option A, abbreviated nomenclature, option B, binomial abbreviation, option C, trinomial nomenclature, option D, taxonomic abbreviation. The correct answer is option C, trinomial nomenclature. Question number 21. Which of the following is an example of binomial nomenclature? Option A, line Panthera. Option B, Panthera leo. Option C, Felis domesticus. Option D, Canis familiaris. The correct answer is option B, Panthera leo. Question number 22. In the name Canis lupus, what does Canis refer to? Option A, species identifier. Option B, genus identifier. Option C, order identifier. Option D, family identifier. The correct answer is option B, genus identifier. Question number 23. The practice of assigning two-part scientific names to organisms began during the option A, 16th century, option B, 18th century, option C, 19th century. Option D, 20th century. The correct answer is option B, 18th century. Question number 24. Which part of the scientific name can sometimes be an individual's name? Option A, family. Option B, genus. Option C, species. Option D, order. The correct answer is option B, genus. Question number 25. The concept of binomial nomenclature helps to promote option A, complexity in scientific communication. Option B, uniformity in common names. Option C, a sense of mystery around species names. Option D, consistency and clarity in communication about species identities. The correct answer is option D, consistency and clarity in communication about species identities. Thank you for watching this video.